A lot of people say they're self-made people, but Stewart really is. He was in grade 8 when he was enticed to work on a Pepsi truck and became a helper and never looked back. In 1992, he made a leap of faith. He left a very lucrative job to become the president of this small bottled water company based in Chedrawe, Nova Scotia.
I have known Stewart Allen since 1988. He was involved in a little tiny water company. I watched him grow from this little tiny water company in Chedrawe to being one of the bigger bottled water companies anywhere in the world. And then his influence grew and he grew along with it.
He related to people wherever you were. I say Wall Street bankers to Main Street drivers. You know, he got along with everybody and he treated everyone the same.
He's one of the more humble people I've ever met in my life. And I think that anybody that gets to know him would appreciate that right away.
A couple things about Stewart. One is a huge Toronto Maple Leaf fan. He falls asleep like that on a plane, and he's got incredible energy.
Family is hugely important. Just to listen to him tell the stories about his parents and how he's helped and looked after them in their senior years, and paying really close attention to the values that he's passed on to his daughters. It's very inspiring.
Stewart is the epitome of a heart of gold. He's generous with his family, he's generous with his friends, and of course he's generous with those who need it. He decided to establish the Stewart E. Allen Bursary for the medical school to help provide medical students who had financial need the opportunity to go to med school.
The Allen Bursary is one of the largest that we have in the Faculty of Medicine, and it supports the payment of tuition of one of our medical students for their 4 years of training. They're directed towards students that really need it and benefit the most from this type of gift. Every year we are able to award an Allen Bursary, and we'll be able to do that into the indefinite future. It is a gift that we'll keep on giving to medical students for many generations to come.
We met in Toronto a couple of times and talked broadly about the QE2 Foundation, and knowing a bit of Stu's background health-wise, I thought that he would have a real interest in the heart health program that we have here. And indeed, once he walked through the doors to see the cath lab and what we were doing and the potential, I think he was hooked right away. He felt that his contribution would make a real impact here, and indeed, it certainly has.
We sat down with the heart health leaders and had discussions for a long time about what their vision was for the future of heart health. They identified that the epitome of heart health technology that we should be thinking about, which is world-class, world-leading, is hybrid OR. Bringing that home to the QE2 here.
A hybrid OR combines state-of-the-art imaging technology in the setting of an operating room.
It's different equipment in the operating room so that you can do either a minimally invasive procedure or a major open procedure or a combination of both.
We're doing these procedures now in rooms where the X-ray equipment is fixed on gantries and can't be moved. And if we have to convert one of those procedures because something's torn and now there's some bleeding and time is of the essence, we're kind of working over and around this equipment.
Patients who are presenting with emergencies absolutely require a hybrid OR. With a hybrid OR, we could bring those patients directly into the hybrid OR. We would avoid having the delay in the treatment, which is very dangerous for a patient who's already unstable. Rapid access to care can mean the matter of life and death for them.
You know, every campaign has a goal, and we have a mission and a vision of what might happen, but it never comes to fruition unless there is a lead donor. Stewart Allen has made the single largest contribution to the campaign, and he is instrumental in bringing the hybrid home.
Having the hybrid OR located now at the QE2 is a real game changer for our region, and it wouldn't be possible without people like Stu Allen.
It allows us a pathway to the future with absolutely excellent results for our patients.
It's fantastic to have a great facility to be able to provide the care that the people of Nova Scotia so deserve.
The reason why he gave money to Dalhousie and to the QE2 Foundation was loyalty. I think that he realized a lot of his success and wealth came from his beginnings here. When he started the business in 1992 with his two partners, the world's a better place, and Atlantic Canada's a better place to have Stewart Allen in it.
Stewart, you really are a champion, and you certainly have a heart of gold.
Mr. Allen, congratulations on receiving the Heart of Gold award, which is so well deserved.
We would like to take this opportunity to publicly congratulate our dad on such an amazing achievement that will help contribute to saving lives and enhancing the medical community.
We've always been a very close family, and knowing that our dad is helping to create an environment where people can spend more time with their families is something that is very important to us and we're very proud of.
Congrats again, Dad.
Stewart, on behalf of everyone at the QE2 and the Foundation and everyone in Heart Health, thank you for your gift. This is truly transformational.